Nandito na tayo sa Isluis, Netherlands.
Dancing in the street.
So, mga ilang beses na rin tayong nakarating dito. Namamasyal, kumakain. Dahil dito.
Vreeseke, zag ze.
Vreeseke.
I vrees that woman. I am scared.
Ito kasi sinusundan namin na puting car. And we are white car also. Pero yung,
oh no, it's that. It's on the where they work.
pero yung plate number niya guys ay siguro yung ano, yung sarili mo. So, sabi ni Kuya, oh, mayaman. Eh, ang sabi ko naman, kahit sa Pinas may mga ano gumagamit nito, yung gaya na halimbawa pag architect ka, lawyer ka. Look at this tree, it's already beautiful. The last time we come doesn't have the leaves yet, and now wow, look. So ayun guys, makikiparking tayo dahil dito after 6 ay free parking na siya. Maingay yung mga ibon. So, maglakad muna tayo guys. Kakakain lang para may konting exercise yung ating paa. Sarado na sila. So, ang buong lugar na to ay kung hindi restaurant, tea room, shopping centers.
Yeah, out of the sun.
Out of the sun. Yeah. Masarap maglakad pero malamig. Guys, ang ganda ng flower. Meron din dito. Ayan. Maingay yung mga ibon. Oh, the Mini Cooper beside Peugeot. Pauwi na tayo. Dahil malamig, mas malamig dito kaysa sa Belgium. Ayun, konti na lang yung tao. Command, Peugeot. Okay, Peugeot, bring us home.
You speak English. Come on, how this car will understand you? You need to speak.
Okay, Peugeot, bring me naar huis.
You need to wait. You not do this right. Let me do one. He not understand you.
Okay.
Okay, Peugeot, breng me naar huis.
Na 400 meter sla linksaf, Blauwe Weg.
Blauwe. So ayun guys, pauwi na tayo. Tapos na tayong kumain sa Isluis.
Sla linksaf.
Yeah. Pero doon kasi sa restaurant na kinainan namin, may namit kaming Filipino. So sinabi niya yung kung saan sila nakatira. Siya ay taga
Na
Leyte.
300 meter sla rechtsaf, Heileweg.
Sabi ni Kuya, dito tayo dumaan para ipapakita ko lang yung ano, yung way kung saan sila nakatira.
Sla rechtsaf.
Ayun, dito tayo dumaan. Ah, so here we go right. It's our first time here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, first time. It's good. First time.
But it's a similar road we drive, but it's this goes this and this goes. It's the same.
Okay.
But here we pass Middelburg.
Yan guys, ganyan kalawak ang taniman ng patatas dito sa
Patatas?
Netherlands.
Wala patatas.
Puro
Wala.
patatas yan.
Dude,
Yan.
patatas.
Straight na straight. After 3
I don't
months.
know when they harvest, how long they stay in the
Look.
ground.
Oh, ang Belgium, ang Netherlands talaga, napakalawak. Dito ay hindi pa natamnan. So maybe the woman family is a farmer?
Maybe. I know.
Look, mga sheep,
It's possible.
mga sheep.
It's possible.
Wow, ang lawak talaga ng mga lupain nila dito. Mayayaman mga tao dito. Lalaking kamarin. Hele. Nag-iingay si Pojo kasi mabilis si Kuya.
Very bad smell from outside.
Yeah, I smell too. Wow, because yeah, wow, nice. Ang mga punong kahoy. Yung mga punong kahoy parang nagpapagandahan sila. Oh, in this area, look,
Is this truck?
they
Smells so bad.
they just harvest the grasses. Kaya ang ganda guys, oh, ang ganda ng pagka harvest ng grass. Ang lawak din na grass.
It's this truck that smells so bad.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, the very old Volvo.
Naamoy
Don't
namin
go
yung
close right
tractor.
to this truck. But
Yeah, it's okay, go
I don't
slower.
like it. This is Middelburg, maybe.
Ah, this one. Oh, they have the church also. So, isang local local na
small
area,
village.
small village kapag may church sila, ibig sabihin dyan ang ang pinaka town proper nila.
This is a restaurant
Yan.
there.
Yeah. Oh, look at this potato. We didn't even ask each other's name, but oh, where are you from? Like this, and she say she is from this area, yung kababayan natin na na-meet namin sa restaurant. Yeah. Yeah. For sure, they always go there for maybe like this.
Yeah. Many Belgium go to Slush.
Yeah. Wow, white flowers. Yeah, ulit dito.
No, I didn't have it. No,
Yeah, again, maraming taniman ng potato. Yeah. Patatas. Alam nyo ba guys, yan ang pinaka number 1 na produkto.
Oh no, I think no.
It's a manure.
Yeah, it's manure.
Old manure.
Yeah.
Ayun.
They want to feed the ground.
Yes. It's very good. Industrial
Okay,
park
that
over
road
there.
is that we come.
Yeah, in that
you see
area.
The industry.
Yeah,
That's the
yes.
same.
Yes. Yeah. This is already Belgium.
No, this is still Holland. There is Belgium where the trees are.
Ayun, the manure is there. Look guys, wow, ganyan kaganda sila magtanim ng patatas. Patatas, maraming patatas.
Patata.
Kung gusto mo ng masarap na fries, dito ka sa Netherlands pumunta. Yung restaurant na pinupuntahan namin, ang sarap nilang gumawa ng patatas.
Na 300 meter, ga rechtdoor, Vlasstraat.
Look this one. Oh, all flowers.
Patatas.
Yeah, potato patatas. And over there, maybe what's
What is this here? I don't
Yeah.
know. What is this?
ang lawak.
Ga rechtdoor.
But I cannot
Ang
go
kanilang Maldaham is there, it says there. Middelburg. Also here,
Na
wow.
270 meter sla linksaf, Verlorendorpweg.
Grabe, ang lalawak ng kanilang
Sla linksaf.
bukid.
Look, here is a camping. Look.
Ah, camping area. Aha, kaya pala maraming mga sasakyan.
Oh, how sweaty. Look.
Yeah, I really sweat. Very good. Yan. And another church over there.
That's Ida.
This is already Ide.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah, Ide.
Otherwise, we come from there on the
Yes.
left. Now we go here and then to the right.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Ide, Netherlands. Tingnan nyo naman. Isang punong kahoy, punong-puno ng bulaklak na
You see
puti.
where we, otherwise we
Yes.
come from there.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah, and this is the Church of Ide. Guys, ganda. Really nice tree. You know what makes the place, all places, the roads are the trees. Look. Yes, it is. She is very fast, si ate. Ang gagaling nila mag-drive. Wow, look at these trees.
Belgium, 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 Belgium.
We are back to Belgium. With the fat cows. Ik ben te kop.
Aan het
Oh,
einde
wow.
van de weg
You
sla
can eat this
linksaf,
so easily.
Dijkstraat.